Right here, we're looking at the 2002 to 2003 954RR front cowl for a Honda. So this is the front. Actually, it's upside down. So this is the front. So it has the cutout for the headlight right here, and for the turn signals, all the holes for all the bolt-on, and it's supposed to be OEM fit. And what's nice is that you could also customize it. I want to point out that I drilled an extra hole in the middle so the wiring can go in from the custom mirrors that I'm putting on. So this is for the mirrors, the windshield, this is what it looks like on the inside. The headlight will be attached to these areas here. And also the frame. There's also an inner cowl frame that connects to here. And next I'm going to show you how it looks after I wrap it and put the headlight in. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.